If you're looking to promote affiliate offers across social and email channels, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll break down exactly how to do it effectively, so stick with me until the end for the best strategy to boost your affiliate commissions. First, let's talk about social media. To successfully promote affiliate offers, start by creating high-quality content that fits naturally within your chosen platform. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you need to integrate your affiliate links in a way that feels helpful and not spammy. Use engaging content, like tutorials, reviews, or personal stories, and include your affiliate links strategically. You don't have to make every post a sales pitch, but make sure there's a clear call to action for people to check out the offer you're promoting. Now, when posting on social media, use relevant hashtags to help your posts reach a larger audience. This increases the visibility of your offer. And if you can, try to get influencers or others in your niche to share your content. That can amplify your reach even more. Moving on to email marketing, which is a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Start by building an email list. It doesn't need to be huge, but the more targeted, the better. Offer something of value in exchange for their email, like a free ebook or a helpful guide, and use that to nurture your list with regular, high-value content. When sending affiliate offers, don't just send out promotions. Create emails that are helpful, solve problems, and subtly integrate your affiliate links. If you offer solutions, people are much more likely to trust your recommendations. In both cases, social media and email, you'll need to track your results. Use simple analytics tools to see what's working and what isn't. With email, you can A/B test subject lines, content, and calls to action. For social media, pay attention to engagement and adjust your posting times and content types based on the results. I've tried all the most popular software for affiliate marketing, and I can tell you the software we're using in this video is hands down the best. It's easy to use and helps track everything you need across both social and email channels. And for viewers of my channel, I've partnered with the company to offer an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description below, so be sure to grab that and follow along with the tutorial. So here's the key takeaway. Promote affiliate offers in a way that adds value, whether through helpful content on social media or targeted emails. Make sure you're tracking your results and optimizing as you go. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the software we're using. To quickly recap. 1. Share valuable content on social media and use hashtags to increase visibility. 2. Build an email list and offer value with every email while strategically placing affiliate offers. 3. Track your results on both platforms and adjust your strategy accordingly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial in the description below to get started right away.